Hello friends, this is Milani Hajun. So welcome to my channel, which is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are going to review PAPA Recipe's Bombee Skin Toner. It claims that this hydrating and nourishing toner is enriched with organic propolis and honey extract that replenishes moisture, leaving skin feeling soft, rejuvenated, while also boosting anti-wrinkle benefits. Its packaging is very cute and minimalistic. Its honey aesthetics are really pretty. This toner is paraben-free, sulfate-free, alcohol-free, silicone-free, EU allergen-free, and fungal acne safe as well. It comes in an overall sealed plastic bottle. It has English and Korean instructions mentioned, which is helpful for us international customers. The bottle is transparent, which makes it easier for me to see how much of the product is left in it. The expiry date is mentioned in the bottom. This toner doesn't have any skin irritants. Instead, it has ingredients that have wound healing and brightening properties. It has ingredients that are good for oily skin, sensitive skin, and dry skin as well, which makes it for all types of skin, I guess. I love its matte pastel color overall look. Its bottle has this little hole opening due to which only a few drops come out every time, which I liked about it as the product itself is really watery. It has faint smell of honey which isn't overpowering. It doesn't leave sticky feeling or skin sticky at all. Look how watery it is. This is me before using the toner. My skin is irritated and very dry right now. My skin has rough texture as well as my skin barrier was compromised due to a cream I used that had fragrance in it. As this Bombee toner is watery, it is absorbing right away into my skin. It feels really calming to my irritated skin right now. I'm applying it over my eyes as well as my eyes had dry flakes too. I had to go twice with the toner as the first layer dried instantly and my skin required more hydration and moisture. After the second layer, my skin is hydrated so well that I can just apply a moisturizer and I will be done for the night. After 1 month of continuous usage, that's how my skin looks now. Bombee toner has transformed my skin completely. My skin has gotten smooth, soft, and is no longer irritated. It calmed my irritated skin and hydrated it without any sticky feeling. It has made my skin tone even overall as well. This toner is such an underdog, like I haven't seen many people talk about it. This toner is going to suit all skin types, I am sure. I'm using it daily even in this July's heat. I just love it. I will rate it 5 by 5 and will definitely recommend it to all of you to try it once at least. Bye bye.